Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid just for clicking on ads for absolutely free. This website has paid more than $400,000 and you can see all these payments right here to their users. All you need to do is to sign up for free on this website, you click on the ads and each time you click you'll get paid. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can make even more money and also how to set this up on autopilot so you can get paid when other people click as well, and that way you'll get some passive income. But before starting, as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one on how to make money online. So, first of all, I want to show you proof that this actually works and it is worth your time. On the payment proof section, you're going to see that people from all around the world are getting paid every single hour. People from different countries, as you can see, are being paid for just clicking. And the website in question is called PTC Share, and this is over at ptcshare.com. Don't make a mistake to go right away to this website trying to figure it out on your own, because you'll get confused and lost and you'll miss out the opportunity to make money on autopilot for absolutely free. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up properly, but first of all you can see all these people once again making money on this website, and this proves that people are using it all the time to make money. It is a brand new website and it has paid out almost $500,000 to their users. So the members that have earned more than $480,000 with this website just for clicking on ads. It is really that simple. It requires no previous experience, no special skills. You just press click with your mouse. You can earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with them is simple. Once you register an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. And I'm going to explain you everything, and just stay until the end to see how you can use this platform in a better way in order to earn even more. And as you can see, they have different payment options: Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin and even Litecoin. And all you need to do in order to start making money with PTC Share just by clicking is that you need to create an account for absolutely free by clicking here on sign up. After that, you're going to put a unique username, a password, and repeat your password, an email address, and then repeat your email address. After that, you have to confirm that you're not a robot. Just click on I agree to terms of service and create an account. It is going to take you less than 30 seconds, and after that, you're going to receive an email from PTC Share. It is going to say hello and your username right here. Welcome to PTC Share. In order to complete your account registration, you need to activate your account, so you have to click on the link that they have sent to you. And after clicking on the link, your account will be verified and you'll be able to log in with your credentials. After logging in, you're going to be able to access to your dashboard and you'll be ready to start making money just by clicking, and then you're going to learn how to set it up on autopilot so other people can click and you're going to make more money. So stay tuned for that. Here on your dashboard, you can track your earnings. As you can see, the balance right here, and for now it says $0 because I just created this account, but of course it's going to change soon. And if you scroll a little down, you're going to see all the bonuses that you can win. But in order to start right away and make money just by clicking, you'll need to come over here on the earn section, click on it, and you can see that you can make money by viewing ads, by offer walls, surveys, videos, PTC wall, and click grid. But in order to make money just by clicking, you have to go over view ads right here. And now it's going to show you all the available ads that you can click and make money. It's obviously not a lot. That's why I said that you need to stay with me till the end so I can show you how you can make a lot more money. But even if you use this feature, you'll have a lot of different ads to click on that will make you money. And it is very simple. You just need to click this button right here when it says view paid ad, and that's it. Once again, it is not going to make you rich, but it is really simple and you don't need any previous experience for this, and the more you click, the more money you'll make. And here's another feature of this website which you can use that will also make you money just by clicking, and you can make up to $10 for a single click. All you need to do is to go once again here on the Earn section and click on it, and after that you have to click here on Click Grid, and you can win up to $10 for a single click on these boxes right here. Each of these boxes is one ad, and if you click on one of them, it's going to open up an ad and you'll get paid for that click, and in total people have made over $300. All these people here are making money with this again and again, and you have all these boxes which you can click every single day, and you have a potential to make up to $10 for a single click, and that's pretty decent. And now, as I promised you, I'm going to show you how you can set it up on autopilot and earn more money by leaving other people click for you so you can maximize your results. So all you need to do is to go over once again on the Earn section, and you can click here on Refer Friends, or you can go to your username and you can click here on Refer Friends. And here you're going to see how much money you'll be making off of each person that you refer to this website. So you'll be making 3% commission off of everything they make on this website. If they make $1,000, you'll make $30 for absolutely free and passively. If you refer more people, like 10 people like that, that's already $300 for you. So all you need to do is to grab your referral link, which is right here, and after that you're going to copy it, and then you're going to start sharing it with other people and refer them to this platform when they can make money for absolutely free, and you'll get a percentage of their earnings as a passive income. And this is very easy for them. You're sending these people to a free website where they can sign up in 30 seconds and they can benefit and make money just by clicking. So after copying your referral link right here, we're going to get started with the traffic sources which you can use. The first one is Quora.com, and according to SimilarWeb, Quora is being visited by over 500,000 of people every single month. Quora is a place where people come to ask and answer different questions, and you can go over here to the search box and you can search for how to make money online or how to make money by working from home, and you can see all these people asking that questions depending on the keyword that you have typed in. Here you have thousands of interested people in this topic, so all you can do is to start replying to all of these people by telling them like, hey, you can sign up to this absolutely free platform and it is going to make you money just by clicking, and then leave your referral link out there. And not only this person whom you're replying to can sign up to your link, but all of the people that search for these common questions can see your reply and can click on your referral link, and you will make money. And your reply will stay on Quora forever, so people can find your referral link even after some weeks, month or year, and they can sign up and you'll keep making some passive income for a lifetime. And also, if you want, you can use even social media platforms in order to find people interested in making money online. For example, you can go on Facebook and find groups with people that are discussing about making money online. You can join those groups and provide them with your method and share your referral link. And you can even find people on Twitter, on Instagram, and so on and so forth. I really hope you liked today's video, and if you did, give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.